ghost.
Huh?
Yeah.
You think what?
A ghost.
Oh, 'cause it's Halloween?
Yes.
Yeah?
She's looking at me.
She is looking at you, Patrick.
Ew!
That's okay. That's okay. We'll clean it up.
I posted. Did she
Thank
just
you.
already throw up?
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah, I know.
That was her first throw
That's
up.
your first throw up at home. Yay!
Granny, Josie, look, Josie just throwed up
Oh, okay.
at home.
At home. Good.
That was our first throw
Throw
up
up.
at home.
Good.
Right.
Patrick is right.
See, here's the here it is.